Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Diamond's Hustle. Now, listen, if you've been sitting there scrolling through TikTok, watching other people make money online, and thinking, I wish I could do that, then stop wishing, right? This is your sign today. Now, I'm going to show you one of the simplest ways to start making money online in 2025, even if you have no experience, no products, and honestly, really no clue where to start. And we're talking big potential here. So a lot of individuals are saying they're making between 10 to 15K a month, kind of big, without having to work 80 hours a week or become some marketing genius overnight. And don't worry, I'm not going to just tell you about it. What I'm going to do is actually walk you through exactly how to set it up step by step, and I'll even throw in my personal tips to make yours stand out from the millions of other beginners. With that being said, let's go ahead and check out exactly what it is that I'm talking about. Now, the tool we're going to be using is called Build Your Store, and it's 100% free to get started. Now, think of it as your personal e commerce assistant. It's really designing your store. Now, it fills it with trending products, sets up your store policies, and makes it look like a pro really designed and built it for you. And here's the best part, right? When customers order products, they ship directly to them. So you never touch a box and you never have to keep inventory. Now, once you go to this page here, what you're going to do is click on Build My Free Store. From here, what you're going to do is enter your info and you'll be asked to choose your niche. So let's go ahead and enter our info now. All right, so now you should be logged in. So what you're going to do next is go ahead and click on Choose Your Store Niche. Now, what I will say about this is go ahead and pick one that you're passionate about, so pets, fitness, beauty, etc. Or what you can do is let the AI choose based on what's trending right now. So if you're not sure of what niche you want to go with, go ahead and click on I'm not sure. And then from there, go ahead and click done. All right. So now we're done with that. So what we're going to do next is pick a banner for our homepage. So you want to choose something that really matches your store vibe. Now, since we went ahead and picked on we don't know, but this looks like a lot of fitness. So I'm just going to choose, I'll go with this one. So then from there, actually, it does say you need to choose two. So I want to choose this one, and actually, I'm going to choose that one. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and click on done. Now, your store will connect to Shopify. Now, this is where you actually, where your site actually is going to run. So, Shopify is secure, it's mobile friendly, and really perfect for selling products online. And they often have a promo where you can actually get your first 3 months for $1 after a 3-day trial. So, what we're going to do is go ahead and click on Access Shopify. And then from there, we are just going to go ahead and click on enter our email address. Now, once you enter your email address, you will be taken to this page here. This says start your free trial for pretty much $1. Then it says today, free for 3-day trial, explore all the features immediately. Now, I just went ahead and clicked on skip. So next what we're going to do is go ahead and get to a page that looks just like this. Where would you like to sell? Now, once you complete all of that, what you're going to do is you're going to actually go up to the top and then copy your new URL, which you probably can't see this on my screen, but you're going to go ahead and copy that new URL. And then you're going to go back to build your store because this actually opened up in a new tab for you. So let's go ahead and go back to build my store. So when we go back to the tab, we're going to link our Shopify store. That's the URL that you took at the top. So as you guys can see here in this little video, and then you're just going to go ahead and paste it into here. And then once you do that, you're just going to hit save. And then let's go ahead and click done. All right. So coming up next, right here is going to ask you to grab your Shopify discount, but for this video, you really don't have to worry about that at the present time. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and click on Access Shopify. Now, once you click done, you're going to end up on this page again, which it keeps taking you back to this page. So Just remember to keep those tabs really close to each other because you're going to be going back and forth a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on that tab to go back, and then we're just going to go ahead and click on done. Now, once we go ahead and click on done, this is the part where we actually need to go ahead and install the app. So this is the breadwinner. This is the part that's really going to let you do your magic. So we're just going to go ahead and click on install app. Once we do that, it's just going to go ahead and take us to this page here that says install app. And then from there, we're just going to go ahead and click on that button that says install. Then we're going to go ahead and head back over to build my store, which now is where you guys can actually see where it says make my store unique. Now, this says that it is going to actually allow their AI to customize our store. So you don't have to be a genius to actually do this. It's just going to go ahead and customize it right for us. So I'm telling y'all, this is really where the magic happens. So Build Your Store uses a platform called AutoDS really to automatically add trending high demand products to your store. Now, these are products that are already selling well online, and AutoDS handles sourcing and shipping when someone orders. Now, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. You can also adjust profit margins. For example, if you set it, you can earn 50% or even 100% profit on each sale with this actual AI doing all the work for you. So with that being said, let's go ahead and click on Customize My Store. All right, so it went ahead and customized it really quick. Now, this is what I was talking about with the AutoDS. So you actually have to register for AutoDS. So you have different plans that you can actually choose from when you actually register for the AutoDS. But this is better than you actually having to go out to see what products are selling and download all this software to see what's the top sales and all of this. This actually is going to do it for you, ship for you, all of that. So no longer like when you used to back in the day have to go through China or something like that and reach out to the person who was actually selling the product to see if they actually have it in stock, know the product and all of that, know what they have in stock and know the dimensions and all of that. You don't have to do any of that with this program. It is actually going to do it all for you. And with that being said, the price really is not that bad either. So let's go ahead and head right on over there to register for AutoDS. All right. So now we have made it to the AutoDS. And so with that, they're going to ask you to go ahead and sign up. So let's go ahead and enter our information in there now. All right. So once you enter your information, then you should be going up to this page here. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and select Shopify as our selling channel. Now, once we do that, we're going to go to this page here. So we're going to choose one of the packages, which it says most popular starter 500, but it does say $29.90 per month. But check this out. It says start now for only 99 cents. And that's really not bad. So this is a great choice if you are trying to go ahead and start your store with little to no cost. So let's go ahead and click on this option here. Now, that does say annually, as you guys can see here. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on the one that says monthly because I do not want an annual membership. And it's still going to be for the start now of 99 cents. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and enter our information into the system so we can go ahead and get this ball on the road. All right. So I went ahead and entered my information. So hopefully you went ahead and entered yours as well. And then once you've done that, you should be at a page that looks something similar to this one. Now, once you're on this page again, you are going to want to go back to build your store. So let's go ahead and head over there now. Once you click on that tab, let's go ahead and click on done so it can start doing its magic for us. Now, what we're going to want to do is go ahead and remove the password to our store as well. So let's go ahead and click on Access My Store. So what we're going to want to do is go ahead and click on store password. Once we do that, we are going to go back to Shopify, which is going to automatically go back there for you. And then once you do that, it's password protection, right? So what we're going to do is go ahead and, all right, so just go ahead and toggle right here. And that is how we're going to go ahead and remove that password. So then once we're going to do that is go down here and hit that save button. Now, look at that, y'all. Our store is already open. It's open to everybody. So we are good to go with this store. Now, let's go back to build your store. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and click on done. Now it's going to go ahead and work its magic. And bam, there we are. You have created your store. So this is the store that I actually created. As you guys remember in the beginning of the video, I did go ahead and choose some banners, which these are two of the banners that I actually chose. And look at that. They built out everything for me. So I have bags in here. I have so many different things that people can actually choose from, and videos as well. Look at that. So you didn't have to do anything actually. So this is really a game changer. You have a contact form and everything. You have best choices, about us. They created everything for you in a matter of minutes. And that is really not bad at all. So then you can go ahead, click on the catalog. Look at that. So you got a bag. You got so many different things that actually people can come to your store and choose from. And the prices are really not that bad at all either. And just imagine, this is income that you can actually generate while you are asleep. You don't have to do anything to maintain this at all. So you pretty much are set to go. So if you want to do a storefront, drop shipping, this is the way to go. This is the easy peasy way. You don't have to do anything, add anything. They're going to do everything for you. And this is good as gold. So this AI is really making dreams come true. I mean, look at this. I would buy this. It's cheap. $6. Like, what? Who wouldn't buy this? I mean, I will go and do it, y'all. You can literally make money while you sleep, while you at work, while you working from home, anywhere. And people are placing these orders and you don't have to do anything at all but make that money. Now, I do want to let y'all know that you can actually customize it to really match your brand too. So you can change the colors, you can update product descriptions or swap out banners. If you want to add more products, AutoDS has a marketplace with thousands to actually choose from as well. Now that your store is ready, you really need customers, right? And this is where AI tools like ChatGPT make your life so much easier. So let's go ahead and head right on over to ChatGPT really quick. Oh, and I did want to point y'all here before we went to ChatGPT, they actually have customers and clients and what they're saying. So you basically have reviews already for your products that you are actually selling. Now, once we end up on ChatGPT, you can go ahead and just ask it a few questions, especially since you may be a beginner. Go ahead and ask them, what's the best platform to sell this product, an active sports bag, which that's one of the things that was in the store, as you guys can see here. So just go ahead and go back to ChatGPT and then go ahead and ask. And so it's going to go ahead and let you know some of the places that you can actually sell this product is going to be on Amazon. It's going to give you the pros and the cons, Shopify plus TikTok, Instagram marketing as well, Etsy. And it's letting you know the pros and the cons for all of them. And it does give you the final recommendations as well. Then you can ask it something like, walk me through creating the content to actually sell this product. And what they're going to do is give you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually create this content to sell your active sport bag through one of these sites. So look at all of this. Content types that work, descriptions, where to use, all of that. It's giving you pretty much the step-by-step guide for free on how you can actually make this money. And look at that. TikTok is giving you the hashtags that you can actually use. It's telling you about Amazon. And if you scroll back to the top, again, it's giving you the descriptions that you can use on TikTok, Instagram, Shopify. It's letting you know about the reels, TikTok, everything. It is actually giving you the keys to success if you actually follow what it's telling you to do. Just know the good news here is with this AI tool, you have a massive advantage that people didn't have 10 years ago, not even 5 years ago, honestly. Now, if you follow the plan, keep testing products and post consistently, you can actually build something real with this actual store. So, if you're ready to start your own AI powered store, take action today, set it up, test it, and start creating that extra income stream. So, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment to let me know how your store turns out. I read every single comment all the time. Now, if you want, I can also make your SEO friendly title, thumbnails, and text ideas as well that you can actually use for your store when you're promoting it as well with this chat GBT. So, with that being said, thank you guys so much. I think that this is one of the best ideas in 2025. Let me know how your store turns out. I'm wishing you all good luck, success, all the money coming your way. You guys got this. And I will see y'all in the next video. All right. Bye.